If a fish, a bird and an elephant take admission in same school, then I am damn sure that fish will be failed in flying classes, a bird will be failed in swimming classes and an elephant will be failed in both flying and swimming classes. Same principle can be applied on our lives also. If you are comparing your life with someone else, then definitely this is not fair for you and that fellow also. So in today's video, we are going to talk about why you should not compare yourself with others. So let's dive in. Hi, this is Tejas Bhosle and welcome to my English YouTube channel, The Tejas Motivation. Me and my team always helps you to improvise your lifestyle and pump up daily motivation in your mind. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon as well and give us a thumbs up. So tell me one thing, do you really compare yourself with others? Then when you start comparing, you subconsciously start to believe that they are better than you and you are inferior to them. You are depriving yourself of all the great things you already have and cursing yourself over that one thing that you don't. Comparisons take your happiness away and leave you with dissatisfaction, low self-esteem and whatnot. There is a common motto among hikers, which is hike your own bike. They use this to focus on their path instead of looking at others' trails. Others might be able to reach the peak before you, but in the end, you will also reach there. So, it's just the difference in timing. As famously said, don't compare your chapter 1 with someone else's chapter 20. Just learn to embrace your life. You are at the beginning of something great. Do not let someone else's success discourage you. Mostly we compare ourselves with what we see. Social media is staged to flaunt our so-called luxuries. We compare our situation with others' positive sides without actually knowing the hardship behind it. So, remember this one thing. Don't let the internet rush you. Nobody is posting their failures. We are making the wrong comparisons most of the time. We compare the skills in which we are not good at and start believing that we are not good at anything. In reality, we may have some skills which we excel at, but we get too involved in the race to become better than them and we overlook our skills. So what we need to do? Just explore yourself, find out that skill which you are good at and work on that skill. When you compare yourself with others, you subconsciously set your goals on par with them. But here you are making a big mistake. Maybe you can become much better than them, or perhaps you have capabilities to achieve bigger goals than them. Discovering the motivation or gaining from others is insightful. You should always take suggestions from experienced people, not to compare with what they have, but to make yourself better. Successful people always compete with their own goal, while failure competes with others' success. So, in a nutshell, always remember this. There is no comparison between sun and a moon. They shine when it's their own time. So this is all about why you should not compare yourself with others. So please share your thoughts in comments, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with maximum people. Thank you very much.